Before proceeding with the installation, configuration, operation, or maintenance of these products, please ensure you have thoroughly reviewed all relevant documentation provided by Balluff and other pertinent sources, including installation guides, configuration manuals, and operational protocols. It is essential for users to adhere strictly to all applicable codes, laws, and safety standards during installation, wiring, adjustment, and operation. Installation, configuration, use, assembly, disassembly, and maintenance of these products must be performed by individuals who have received appropriate training and are fully versed in following the outlined procedures and safety measures. Failure to comply with these prerequisites may result in noncompliance with legal and safety standards. We expressly disclaim any liability or responsibility for damages, whether direct, indirect, special, or consequential, arising from the use or application of the information contained herein. Balluff Inc., in no event, will be held accountable for any damages incurred as a result of using this guide. The content of this guide is intended for illustrative purposes only and does not ensure suitability for specific applications due to the diverse range of variables and requirements in different scenarios. Users are entirely responsible for verifying the applicability and safety of this information for their unique situations. Acceptance and use of this information come with an understanding that any and all risks associated with the installation, configuration, assembly, or use of these products are fully assumed by the user. Please note that this document does not serve as a warranty of any sort, nor does it modify or supplement any valid warranty provided by Balluff Inc. for these products. The information herein supplements the original warranty terms without altering them.
In this video, we will go through how to set up an IP address of the black and silver line IO-Link master module by using the Balluff Engineering Tool. The black and silver line IO-Link master modules are multi-protocol and comes with automatic detection of the protocol. Having your PLC software running in the background of your PC will automatically select the protocol for the module. After setting the IP address of the IO-Link master module, you can go back to the web server of the module to change the protocol selection as well as set the IP address of the master. The Balluff Engineering Tool can be used to set the initial IP address of the IO-Link master module. In this example, there is a PC connected to a black and silver line IO-Link master module. Everything is connected through a network switch. The modules can also be connected directly to the PC or can be daisy-chained with one another. First, verify that there's a default IP address set up on your PC's Ethernet port. Go to Ethernet settings on your Windows PC. Then select Change Adapter Options. Under Network Connections, double-click on Ethernet and then select Properties under Ethernet Connection. A new window for Ethernet properties will appear. Under Ethernet properties, scroll down to select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP version 4, and then select Properties. From here, you could type in an IP address to set for your Ethernet adapter. In this example, we'll type in 10.10.100.177. Subnet mask is set up for 255.255.255.0. Hit OK, and then close out the screen. Now open the Balluff Engineering Tool. The Balluff Engineering Tool is a tool that can be downloaded off the Balluff's website. Once opening and logged in, select Network Settings on the right-hand side. Under Network Configuration, select the Ethernet connection that we have just set. Next, select Search Network on the bottom right-hand corner. The Balluff Engineering Tool will now go and search for any Balluff IO-Link master modules. The Balluff Engineering Tool has found both the black and silver line module in our network configuration. Select the MAC address of the module you wish to set the IP address for. The station name can also be set up for the module. After changing the station name, hit the check mark. The IP address can be changed as well, along with the subnet mask and if a default gateway is being used. After everything is set, select the Write to Device button. This will now set up the IP address and the network configuration for your module. After setting the IP address, A web browser can be used to verify the IP address of the IO-Link master module. Type in the IP address that was previously set on the module. Once the web server loads on the module, log into the module. Once logged into the module, you can go to the settings. At the settings, under the network tab, here you can go in and set the IP address of the IO-Link master. You can also change the fieldbus protocol on the module itself as well. However, once the fieldbus protocol is changed, refer to the user manual, as it might default to the default IP address of that fieldbus protocol.